Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with him is my husband Marcel and our daughter Trimel, who is in the background. Okay, so today we are heading up by Miss Topsy. Should have come already, but just did not get the opportunity to do so until now. However, we are here today. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so heading up by Miss Topsy.
I hear one knocking, like.
Where?
Oh, I'm here knocking.
Probably the thing in a bag.
Oh yeah, I see. Maybe through me have on the headphone, may I hear too much things there now.
I hear doubles.
See, grass still wet.
Yep. Wow. We're resting right under the cool shade. Okay.
So no reach us yet, you know? Rest time.
Yes, this is the rest spot. Whew. The still is tough. So guys, I can imagine when Miss Topsy go through when she leave.
In a hurricane.
She left
when should I come down in a hurricane? Yeah?
Yeah, when she was coming down in a hurricane, but not only that. When she leave, like to go to the doctor, you know, and to come back up. Going down is not too bad for us, but for her, because she really have to watch her steps and so on.
No step not there, so.
Yeah. It's a tough hill. Whew. Come, let me hear talking. Let me Topsy.
I'm here to talk to you.
You don't let me Topsy now.
I'm in your head.
Oh boy.
See it all now when I see Chapalin on the roof.
I know. Junior there today.
Stop and look out here, sir.
Are you and Miss Topsy have big conversation, Junior?
Are you will come back this morning? Yo, Junior.
Hi, Miss Topsy. How you do? I am well. Yes.
Miss Topsy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, there you cook porridge, get Junior.
Junior, what's up? Whew. That's our daughter Trimel.
What?
Yeah.
Whoa. Hello, Mom.
Hello.
You tired? Oh, God. Sorry about that. You hear?
How are you? I just come in tired down there, sir.
But after the foot not carry me. Foot not carry me go fire at all.
Yes.
Go over house to fire.
Oh.
The foot not allow me.
Yes.
Yes, but we thank God still and give God the glory and the praise. And
Yes.
thank you all for your help.
Yes.
I keep up here, come up.
Oh.
Me puppy dead there now.
Oh.
I know say she dog.
She didn't go make it.
No.
She's really sick when we see her. So she died the same day?
Yeah, I went in dead, Juna.
Same day when we came?
Yes, she did. No, ma'am, not the same day. After him come and try and receive him drink. So busy,
Oh.
but he never drink, he busy.
Give her late.
He look like a poison, they poison him.
A poison.
Yes.
See how she look.
Oh no, you miss your company, Miss Topsy.
Yes.
You don't have to get one next dog.
But you know,
Get one pup.
Yeah, big dog, they want to give.
No, get one pup, make him grow up in a yard.
yes. One little puppy, like how him grew up here.
Yeah.
You want to sit down, miss?
Look, that's it.
No, hurry.
All right. Are your daughter look just like you?
Yeah. Yes.
So you start to cut in nail them?
I'm going to take out some pull over there.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't go there some nervous, you know.
So I pack them up and then see.
They cut them up.
But I think I can get them help, put it up.
We are going to get help.
Yes. So Jeffrey not here in the time I go and Falmouth. You come back?
You gone again, I went Sunday.
Oh.
And him got town.
Mr. Topsy, Junior drink coffee porridge. Pink for you.
Yes, but yes, me I talk to you too. Sipping the porridge here,
Yeah, man.
so him can drink up mine.
Oh, I think I did your own. My joke out.
So
Yeah.
how you manage the long hill to come up?
Boy, it's always a task, Miss
Lord
Topsy.
have mercy.
Yeah.
And God bless you, no fit trouble. Such a tall hill to come look for me.
Yes.
And provide all manner of people for me. And me thank somebody send one box for me, you see,
Yes.
with some grocery. But I don't quite know it. Who did the lady said she know me.
Oh. Yes.
Thank you. God bless you.
Are you that say you want?
Yes.
The sweet potato here.
Okay, thanks. And she did carry Irish potato for me.
Oh, wow.
That's okay. So you're tired of rice.
I mean, have,
The pumpkin there.
oh yes, do not love pumpkin.
I know him we care for.
Onion.
Yes.
Yes, lady. Thank you very much.
Yes.
And God bless you all.
Yes.
You're welcome, Miss Topsy.
Yes.
Now we are gonna do some. We come to do some work.
Yes.
Okay.
You have a work.
Yes.
Eh?
Oh, when you hear car man, if you come look if I will.
Me see the car I come up with the light on.
Yeah, you see that? That's the picture, Mr. Topsy.
Me did run out front there. Run out back.
You want solar light, Mr. Topsy.
Yes.
And what kind of battery your radio use, Mr. Topsy? Because we can't get no radio, you know? But we buy a battery.
A junior radio thing.
A big battery use? You know one? How much you use for?
Two.
So we can afford. So
okay.
you put
Can put up 2 years.
Eat your food, man. Eat
Carry
your food.
come on, no junior.
No, man, I keep finishing breakfast. You're not gonna work today, day off? So right now, go on.
No.
You have work every day, man.
You're not going to explain that.
It'll help me, man.
We don't got crew and they must have said, me have food, they don't got to be there, so they have food, me no have.
Oh, that you say. If you say, I say go for training.
No, man, I don't say go.
I see him say go, Mr. Topsy. Don't take up for him.
No, me not take up for him.
You have to stay and keep Mr. Topsy company.
Oh, we show me
You
want
don't have nothing to do.
me want the company.
Okay,
Marcel, check my bag for the some from Miss Topsy. The
Show
flashlight.
him.
And her phone is in there as well.
Try it.
Where they in the part?
Yeah, down here. And the phone.
Then,
Topsy. This is one little flashlight. We can't get no big flashlight.
Yes.
See there, you see light?
Yes, we have one little one like this.
And then you see when you drive back where you see there. So you have the light two part.
Back and front.
Yeah, so you put in a middle if you turn on if you like so.
Yes.
And see turn on there.
Yes.
So if you walk around in the night, you
You
can.
better look on it. You can get,
Same thing, me that say Junior, no, but I take you away now.
he can get the old one.
Don't give him none, enough it's gonna away in the night. And this is an extra battery feet, yeah?
Yes, sir.
That's my battery use.
Yes, thank you. Put it back in definitely. Thank you very much. God bless you.
What you say happen, Junior?
This is easy.
Yeah, make sure I tell me Topsy if you don't take it.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Alright,
And
I'm
if
going to put in light now.
Eh?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, see phone here, Miss Topsy.
Oh, you fix it for me?
No, I will just charge up here.
Eh?
But we don't know if it's because the phone them not working, you know?
The phone them not working?
Okay.
Eh?
You turn on still, so listen if you hear nothing coming in.
Yeah, ring.
No, it just that's only make when you turn on.
Oh, but it not working.
No, it can pick up now.
No,
The phones are down earlier, Miss Topsy.
yes.
Right, so your phone is working, but the network is down.
Oh,
See like Miss Topsy?
oh my. That's wonderful.
Yeah, fear this.
Eh, eh.
Oh, Junior can manage, because I have one team.
Oh yeah, do Junior so this morning.
Funny.
Yes, because
Except for you,
he
Junior.
won't tap drink.
You want to drink.
Ah,
Alright, Miss Topsy.
yes, ma'am.
Jamel, bring that box here, please. Come show us.
Put our water going on radio.
You will not
Get that crap there. Get it.
Bluetooth mode.
Maybe now, people. No, it's good, you know, the water not going on. Turn on the box. I know. And this is station. So you know, just get some gospel and put by your Bluetooth. Give me stops if you listen to one.
Well, me no know nothing but them are where they heard them a make now.
Maybe I try to you one up and make it.
Ah,
Come on, from before that.
he must see what me fi go down back and me can't go a big mama pa. Big mama.
Oh,
Better talk to him and in case you want to listen what me say.
You never want your left down there.
He don't look so because him
She knows say you're lonely up here on your left.
I look now. She say I know she see so. But when they are ready and tell them me are going home. Them say why me never tell them
oh. Why you never tell him you're leaving to come back up here?
before.
Oh. Uh-oh.
What you want the light? Inside or out here, so?
It hot at night.
You know, hot but it bright.
But she can't turn it down with the remote.
Man, we have a panel, see panel there, we have a put the panel out here, so.
Put it in there.
And put the light inside.
Oh.
But me I say, if your room never seal, you could have put it right there and light up the two part.
Oh.
You ready, you know.
You'd have to go lift up when I board up there, so.
But
Yeah. So it shines, so it can shine through.
Through the two part.
Alright, Miss Topsy, we go around here, so.
Yes, ma'am.
Come around this side so you can show us where to put the light.
Eh?
The only thing we could have do is
Come me,
just
we can't turn the heat at night.
you can pull the board. Not never did over there, side, not all. That is ceiling, no, not never did.
I'm going to see it in here.
Come, miss.
The whole like roof down.
I'm going to say how it up me. I can't go to do.
You have to hold the door.
I don't go on bed. I keep it under this.
So keep it there.
I'm going to push down.
Keep it safe.
But in there you want to think now. You run gun.
I'm scared.
Yeah. Can I have the leather? Where you climb pants to go? Barrel leather.
How far you put it?
I panel more and put up this one.
You go for get leather.
Wanna come now?
Oh, what?
I'm going to put up this one.
No, you put it in here.
You want it in here?
No, directly like out that side.
If you like to put here, sir?
You know, too hot.
You know hot, but it's bright.
Okay.
You can't, the remote can't turn it down?
Which one?
Oh.
Which one make you think, Miss Michelle?
Unless you're going to use the flashlight inside and put this outside. You should not want the light to be, you know, to bother you.
Yes.
Oh, you use the lamp at night time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What's on face, Edward?
What, Miss Topsy? On second thought, just you put it in your room. So at least you don't have to use the lamp.
So it don't shine in here?
If it's out here, I don't know if it will shine in.
Oh. Pull on that.
You just push it to the side.
But me don't know what we do.
Put it inside, man. Because you don't have to directly turn it on you.
Yeah.
Oh. So how the boy I go see up a heat?
Oh.
You see, they don't make it like how the hall we make. When we have the hall now and you put it in the hall and it shine up the two room.
Yeah.
So me don't
Miss
know.
Topsy want if you put up so Junior can get some of the light.
But they have something, you say tray seal? Tray seal. I could have light up the two parties. Because two we stay. And how they do this in low.
Yes.
So they make it hot, you know?
Yes. Now what me I say? So anyhow you can put it. But me don't know how.
You sleep in a light, Miss Topsy?
Yeah, me like me lamp one night by too dark.
You know why you like no lamp in the wood structure?
Right, but I say that better if she have the solar light and not have to deal with the lamp.
Alright, we have put in a few part and then we figure out how we have to do for Junior end. You know.
I forgot to get one for Junior then.
Yeah, we have to get one for him because want something to stand up for.
It's a go hot for me.
Put up the panel up this one.
Miss Topsy said I got hot pan her in there.
You know hot, Miss Topsy? And you know, carrying on heat.
Put your chair out that door, man.
Miss Topsy,
Man.
we're going to put it in there and if when we come back it's too hot and you don't like it, we take it out, put it outside.
Metal say no hot,
Mind
that's something we use, you know. So we know. And Miss Topsy hot and I light. They say hot, Miss Topsy. That's right.
So
Topsy now answer to that.
Because she don't want the lights.
You don't want the light
inside.
in there, Miss Topsy?
I too bright for me.
No, put it in there if she don't want it in there.
Put it like a tuner then. I mean like the lamp. The light on it can't work. The light on it can't work.
On what?
The light on the lamp on that can't work.
Oh yeah, no, you know,
Alright,
we just need one here use nothing there, no lamp.
Oh.
So put it around there, sir. Put it around there, Junior.
So what happened with the light, miss? What happened if we put on the lamp?
Nothing. It's alright.
Oh.
Yeah, no affect the solar.
We can't take bright lights than the face there.
Okay. Alright.
We thank you still.
You're welcome, Miss Topsy. What happened? Something dropped?
And tell Juna mustn't fast with it.
Huh?
Tell Juna must not fast with it.
You know, you can't pass with it, I'm not there for trouble. I'll just keep your remote. I give you a remote, Mr. Topsy.
Eh?
I go give you a remote.
Okay,
Give me a long screw then, trouble.
this.
Oh, you have.
Kind hand busy body.
I also pick me stay, Mr. Topsy.
Him pile up in radio. Every night he come in, pull it up.
I saw you pull up your phone.
You know, me never allow it. And he can't nail on the door.
This door? This one? What you say about nail on the door?
You see, you can't nail on in on inches.
Oh, okay.
If he may want inches, he could find all inches and put on it. Come tell him, say, put on the door.
Maybe a centimeter I want, you know, 1 inch.
What a centimeter.
Yeah, a centimeter I want.
Lord of God.
I'm a chick man.
Look here. My girl doctor, Miss Michelle.
Yes, Miss Topsy.
And we must only take the pressure pill and the sugar pill.
All right, so Miss Topsy, while Marcel is installing the light, we have some donations for you.
Yes.
And so we want to thank all our donors, and we want to make mention of Warrell and CB, the brother and sister, and they both sent you some donation. They sent something for Junior, and they sent something for you.
Yes.
All right, so we'll give you afterwards.
Yes.
All right, but we want to just thank Warrell and CB again for your continuous support.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. And I thank them very much. And I was thinking, if they didn't remember me, because everybody remember me
Yes.
all over foreign. Some of
Yes.
them say they know me, but me don't know them.
Yes.
Yes, and God bless them for what they have done to me.
Yes. Yes, man. They remember you.
Yes.
Yes.
But the only thing troubling me now, the eye them foggy.
Uh-oh.
Foggy. You see, when the sun hot, it's all right. But like the sun don't hot all like now, it just foggy.
Okay.
And what do you think?
You're not sure. Is it first that bothering you?
Yes. I'm quite a good while now since we feeling sick.
You mean since after the hurricane?
Yeah, no, before.
With the
But
eye, I'm
yes,
talking.
but it never too bad.
But,
So,
oh. So when are your next appointment?
it's not that doctor we're going to.
Is that a different one?
Yes, we go to up at the hospital.
Oh, when you're going to do the full check? To check your eyes and so on?
When we did come out the other day.
You went to the hospital, right? So because they say your eyes foggy, I wonder when is your next appointment, because you could tell them when you go.
Oh.
You're going to the clinic. When is the clinic appointment?
Well, this one what we go to, him did the say I must come back. He only give me some medication, the 2 set of tablets, sugar and pressure. But him said no, other one else. We mustn't cross the
Medication.
medication. You want me to show you the medication?
Yes.
And you see the foot? The foot them.
You have hammer, Junior? You have hammer?
Yes, Junior have hammer.
You have hammer on the machine, please.
See here, Miss Michelle. This is the medication they give me. These are the
Okay.
sugar pill. And the pressure. We don't take the pressure pill yet. I take them one at a time. And this is it.
This one's high blood pressure. Oh. Half tablet to be taken 2 times daily after meals for high blood pressure. Metformin.
Metformin. And this is for the blood pressure.
How much of this you take per day, Miss Topsy?
2 but a 1 me take.
Yeah. Oh, it's a 2 tablets to be taken once per day. After meals.
2. A 1 me take.
1?
A 2 box me get.
Oh, but they say take 2 tablets once per day after meals. So somebody was we were talking on the phone and they were saying to us that for the blood, not the blood pressure, for the sugar tablets, when your sugar get too low, you're not supposed to take it. But then you would know when it is too low. But you take it every day, right, Miss Topsy?
Yes, ma'am.
That's how they direct you to take it, every day.
Yes.
But what if your sugar get too low? What do you do?
Well, you go to doctor if it's too low. But
That's why it's important to check. So Junior, you couldn't give her. So look here, you couldn't read the blood pressure machine for her, like test the sugar. She didn't have it. You know. No one can. Eh?
Yeah, man, I say pressure must be high on the sugar.
How I look like today?
Yeah. So this one, Mr. Topsy, you take 1 where you're supposed to take 2.
Yeah.
How much of the other one you take? The metformin. Half.
Half in the morning and half in the evening.
That one correct. Yeah.
So we must take 2 of this.
That's what it says.
Okay.
Once. Take 2 once. Yeah, after meal.
Yes. Okay.
Let me see it again.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Yes. Mm. 2 tablets to be taken once per day after meal. Well, we're going to take it now.
Okay.
But me have to drink my porridge first.
Yeah, finish it, Miss Topsy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
But Miss said me look and keep little sugar in my porridge.
You should be able to. Which one are the brown sugar? But yes, Miss Topsy, you want somebody to tell us something?
Your husband say, you don't make nobody tell you nothing. I mean, want somebody to tell me something.
Of course.
Yes.
Nobody tell me that.
I mean, I listen to that one day.
You not listen to that one, Miss Topsy. Bad advice.
I mean, want somebody to tell me something.
No, of course.
Like, when I go to the road out of my little friend, when I come from doctor, she said she see me on the...
All right, come with the letter, my general, please.
She see me on the... What they call it?
On YouTube.
Yes. And she hear me tell you say,
No.
What's your name?
I love Miss Topsy.
She hear me tell you say,
What?
the lady put on me mask.
Oh.
So she said she laugh. So she tell.
Yes.
Let me get up here.
Kazwa.
Where you go pitch down for me.
Oh, me can't pitch long, but I know if I you. Which party partition go? You know got talent here, so?
What?
I just say partition go? But when we put up your back, we put it taller. When I put it so low.
I didn't back off yesterday when I front party.
God not ready for me yet. Some the want to go slide with you.
That's already clear. Anytime this apart I put it back, if anything, we take on back this fine.
Miss Topsy says she'll get up go in the house. Why?
So me tell
You
you,
hold the leather, Junior.
do not hold it.
And the board ain't tough, you know.
Oh, keep this one. What's going on?
We can't work my ship, you know, see.
Everything I drop.
You work on board.
Stop the same for work on board. You can't work on ship, work on board. At least you can't chuck off, go get it.
You can't chuck off, because what they deep. You know, send tight.
And look here. Mommy was going to say, it doesn't go your eye.
No, does not come down.
We tough, Miss Topsy. We tough like a...
Iron.
Yeah, iron tough.
Hey, look here. Me don't have no front teeth, so me can't laugh.
I don't gum. Gum you laugh. Don't eat gum.
Oh, wow. Gum the laugh. But they like they know.
You have a nut.
I have them. Sit here.
Jonah, give me that first. Stop it.
He look like say, Miss Michelle, him love fishing with the joke.
Yes, I joke, you know.
Yes, man.
But I know joke, Miss Topsy.
Me a give a joke, pa. I'm going to see no more make you know, say somebody go look for me. So me a give a whole pa joke.
Right here, Miss Topsy.
No. Who have chocolate that joke?
No, listen.
Where next one then? You may have an nut.
You have more?
Come on, then. Me like.
Oh, Miss Michelle.
Yes.
My great.
Yes.
My mother would have said my
That's not
gracious.
true, Miss Topsy.
Yeah. Huh?
That's not true, Miss Topsy. You're not so good.
Bah.
She not big on that. You're not so good.
Lord.
You have to get your contact lens. Put in your contact lens.
I went down and say, nah, she good.
You say you're not so good and you say that.
Yes, but me see somebody bright.
Yes.
But when me a look all the bush, if me not know your uniform won't know wear.
Yes.
You couldn't go see you, me have to ask her who.
Yes.
Yes, but me know what uniform you wear.
Okay.
You use a uniform mark with Miss Topsy.
Yes, and Michelle Pasty love laugh.
Yeah, and you use a laugh marker.
Yes.
Hi. We have to laugh here, Miss Topsy.
But me not, what your husband name?
Marcel.
Me not laugh, Mas.
Arrest Miss Topsy.
Me not laugh, Mas Mazel, but you not give me no joke.
You know me, I take it.
My boy, that's a man different name. I went name again. But now I want to say who name so.
Mr. Kemp.
One of them.
Zelly.
As in, you know me as.
Everybody know for your name.
One of them name, man. Now you tell a carry. You call one name, and you tell last.
O'Shane. O'Shane, you talk?
You want to carry.
Mr. Kemp.
What a nice fella.
I know.
What do you think Chamiga? Chamiga wise up, you know?
Yes, he told me.
He don't take no money.
Yes, he told me that him drop your powers up, but him couldn't wait.
He find a big girl work.
Yes, yes. Guys, have to big up O'Shane. Wonderful young man.
Yes.
I said them,
Oh my God.
I said them, I forgot them work and said, "Tell me what I want to do."
Jeffrey. Only Haxi fella say if he want money for that. The one you did give me, maybe have 2 with me. So me say, all right.
You have no screw?
He said, we will pay bus fare, come back and take one taxi. So a taxi we pay.
Yes, because he told me that he wasn't able to stay. Yeah, but me tell him, say you were alright, because once you finish, you will get one taxi down.
Yes.
Yeah, because we weren't in the area.
Oh.
Because he said he was calling us, but I never saw his call.
Yes. He said he was calling you, but he don't get any sound.
Yes.
But him good, he's a nice fella.
Yes, Mr. Topsy, indeed.
Nice fella. But one day we should have eat one slice of bread.
You look like you feel happy this one, you eat extra?
With it?
Yeah, you could.
We drink one slice.
She wonder if she fit eat one slice of bread with a porridge.
Eat up your food, Mr. Topsy. Don't make nobody deprive you of your meal.
No.
Doctor, if you're not hungry, doctor.
We are going to take the pill.
They'll take your pill after you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
I take it to my when I take it to all one of the big brown one, they see them give. But they don't give me to them.
Okay.
Doctor, tell if you're not hungry. You have to be hungry for it.
He said, all when me hungry, all when me belly full, me must eat. Some you ask him if...
One next advice Mr. Topsy now listen to.
You're not telling if you could. You're eating food. Anything doctor tell you no, that's going to work with.
Me know to eat and limit myself.
Whoa!
Well and good.
Mr. Topsy say if you hold on good for yourself.
Wow.
I know him, Mr. Topsy at the box drop.
I don't want nothing to do no. I don't have no children them to look after.
Yes, true. Topsy don't want nothing to do with myself, so I'm going to drop off.
Oh, thank the Lord. And bless the hand.
Yes, yeah, right, you know.
And then they didn't put on the first one when they get the house. When we get the house, we get it through the light.
Okay.
But through the water come when you come from back, so it's spoily.
Okay.
I'll go put the panel down there.
Yeah.
Where battery there?
So when Jeffrey coming back, Mr. Topsy, I tell you?
No, Junior, April.
Junior, when Jeffrey come back?
Sunday, they are Tuesday.
Maybe so come.
I'm going to work on it. I'm going to work on it.
I don't know yet. We did I tried to plan something the last time, but because he said that he was gonna go to Falmouth, so when he come back one day this week, I believe, Mother let us know.
Oh, son said.
Yeah, remember? And then we would have decide, what to do.
You tell me, sir. Yeah, see, Monday and Tuesday,
Oh, okay.
you want to go there.
What do you want, this?
Give me a screw. The nut. Oh.
Only the front one we can manage, miss.
You can't press down? Hold it down here, hold another. Let me see. No, you push it like that. See?
That one come on, but that no come
Yeah,
on.
you have to push it all the way up. See there?
Oh.
Look. All the way down, and you have the light down here. And then all the way up.
Up.
Yeah. And the stuff
Okay.
in the middle now we turn off. Try it and see if you get it now. See, come on now, Miss Topsy.
Come on. Yes.
So pull it all the way down now. You have the light come down at the handle part.
Yes.
Good. And you turn it off in the middle.
Press it.
No, same push up, but you don't push it all the way up. Ah, there you go.
It's gone.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, God bless you.
Yes, Miss Topsy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You can't take this
The
little
other
one.
light.
Yes.
Don't see it out here, so you ever get light from outside. Maybe it will shine through the door.
The other flashlight was she have.
Oh yeah, it just test. Jonah can take this light, she said.
Yes. You gotta get what's shining there. You get that shining there.
This one?
What's in the bushes?
Oh, see for me little one.
Oh, that one don't work. It's at work?
On and off sometime.
Oh, maybe you want batteries.
No, ma'am. It did drop from me one time. So it light come on, but it not bright.
Okay, okay.
You see? On and off.
You don't need these.
God, me papi up by mama look here nothing. Oh, that me did buy, but it did drop for me.
Oh. So maybe when it drop, no, let me see.
I don't know what's wrong with it when it drop.
So how they get the batteries in?
How would you not come?
Oh, at the top maybe. Oh no, I don't know. Hold on. These are the different parts. Oh boy. Right here. But batteries in there, they may be dead.
You think so?
I'm not sure. We'd have to change the batteries and see. Are the battery there not home?
And at least what do you put in it? And just what do you put in it?
You have batteries, maybe bring it some.
We have two.
You have some too?
Yes, ma'am.
See two in here, so I'll try these and see if it works.
There, see how much it drop, it drop.
No, work stuff. Barely.
See one here, ma'am.
Stop seeing our work. It's just a little light. Come on, go. Is it right? Yeah. It's gone. It's all go. See it bright up sometimes. See it here, Miss Topsy?
Yes, it's bright sometime.
And then it... Maybe it'll work.
This,
Not away again.
you know
The
what?
drill? Here. So take out the batteries or leave them in?
But let's stay in here, ma'am.
Okay. So it's working.
And then I want me used to put in there.
Okay, but these not good enough.
Oh,
That one good?
yes.
Also, you have to try these two. See how it work there? It come on sometime and sometime it
If
go
we keep my finger upon it, it light up.
Okay, alright, so I'll turn it off here.
But it's home that way.
Oh, Johnny,
And I have one already and it must you.
okay. You know, show your man. Put them up, put them where you can find them easily.
A battery?
Yes.
Yes, man, I have a bag side here, so. Empty.
Yes. Yes, I see empty.
Yes.
Let me see here. Brazilian 50, yeah. I see empty. So put up this
Put
one.
up, yes.
Okay, and then when this one finish now,
Yes.
then there's no label not on that door, you know.
Yeah, me know. Me take it off.
Oh, you take it off?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to remove this label in the box, finish and put it
And
on
put
that
it on
one.
the, yes. Yes.
Okay. So may I rest it right here. So here, Miss Topsy?
Yes, ma'am.
So you eat. You're still going to eat it?
But we take this time.
First.
Yeah.
Okay.
Call long time, you know, take per morning.
Okay, alright.
Yes, ma'am. Then Miss Michelle, you don't know nothing if what caused it. The crampness under my foot.
The what? Crampness under your foot? You still not aware of it?
Lotion.
Oh.
But I know the one them where you use to carry for me.
Yeah.
Oh, that me buy this for. That one where you did care from me.
Yeah.
It's finished.
Okay. Yeah, a long time I stopped, sister. That one that I done.
Yeah. So this one me buy out of dock.
Okay. Have a lot of sheen in there though, cause yeah.
And it did swell, you know.
Yeah, but it look better now, you know, compared to the last time.
Yes.
Oh no, do not tie up the top on?
Yeah.
The water still coming. You know, where the cap in there.
It's reloading, man. We take off all one. You have more? You have the original where you use?
So.
You want to drop that in? Yeah. Sacada, I want to find the sacada then put in every time.
But then you would use
Then you keep it inside.
But you kind of, you know, put gathers in it, so you straighten out, you pull it. Or maybe for that purpose, because it's moving.
You keep it stiff.
Why I tangled up? So long enough to use it. Better to go all the way over to this one.
I just move it up there, so it's cap in there, but
you need the wires to be long to go down to the end and tie.
I put nail in the side. Yeah, that angle. No, this is how you have it. That white short. No, but that's the time.
Oh, this way.
Give me a piece more way.
The cut?
Give me that seat in this.
So this one not cut it?
Yeah, that in. You can't go up there? Huh? So yeah, I'll go up there.
I wonder how this all work.
You can't go in light, you know? I say a parroting thing.
Oh, God.
Also, you know, cut this one.
Yeah, but we want to get one tight first.
Okay.
So we know the amount to wear out, you know?
You know.
Them are close, you know, Miss Michelle. Them are close.
Then say they not run back now, they not fix back now my light up here. You know say they not fix back now light up here?
Kawa.
I miss you son.
They not close your family. From the rain fall, them le. They no see no water and they no see no sun.
Miss Topsy, come here.
Yes.
What is by your ears?
Where?
It look like a tick, Miss Topsy. You know, Marcel? Is that tick, Miss Topsy?
Miss Topsy ears.
Yeah. Take coffee. Come on.
Show me and make me.
Do you have alcohol?
I know.
Yeah.
Ooh, see me.
Alright, I go.
My God.
I want to drop him for you can drop him, Miss Topsy. Go kill him down there, so. Right, Tremel.
How much he not scratch me so?
No, bro.
I look for me, man.
What is that?
See me? Big as ever.
Go and look for me, pa. Long time he no see me.
I look at that turn down and turn up, you know.
See all the ears? Yeah, look if no more can look for you.
No, man. One, one. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have to go put alcohol on it here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Hold on, you know, sir. Hold on. Pass a piece of stick, please.
You want this end?
No, Miss Topsy, we'll dry up.
Oh.
Careful, nobody has to hold none of that.
Sure, this don't need no hole.
What do you mean? Oh, Miss Topsy, tie this stick from your line.
But you no put up here, you can take off. You still have to go put up one post out here, so. Papi, man.
The tree dropped down with it. Tree root out. I'm not drop on the house.
The two side, the tree drop on and the house in the middle.
Oh. You have to make sure say you have this. Let's see where you are.
Finish?
Yeah, turn it that way. We're not tie at that end. Alright, when they go over, we can tie it still. Let's put half right over the side. Yeah, make it just hang over that side and hang right. No. No, if you can reach. Which part are we? So put it in the middle. Now it's the end. Alright. So let's start the cap in there. Flip it over. I don't want so much in the bottom. You want to turn it around here. Yeah, don't like it. You look like it's here.
Stop saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Marcel.
Make it hang over, make it go over more. No, look at that. Over so you can go. Yeah, dry over. You're not fit. Just bungle up with the summer, just cover it in. We're not careful on the end, you know.
Dry over some.
Take back some. Take it from over here, so we don't want to hang off over here. Push over. Over some more. Go over some more. Lift that in there, so. I'll take it off. Yeah.
So you don't want no more over this side?
Yeah, man. Over there to go. I wait, you will I wire the over film side this. Dry over. Choppy. One of someone. Alright. Right, that's how we are put it. Right, that's it. The wire done? No more than today. Which part is away now, sir? I'll go put this. Right, yeah, just fold up your hand. Alright, that better. Eh? Hold on.
My machete. Thank you, Topsy.
Lift it over.
Yes, again, don't miss Topsy.
Alright. Hold on, hold on. That's all. I'll catch her in over this now.
How long ago? After we come or before?
Then already yet.
Maybe they're soon. Tell her where they come from?
Beg you run through there, please.
Oh, okay.
Where they come from?
Oh,
But
ready. You want to hook up here?
Too much height over there, so.
So you tell them?
All of them a nail hole and nothing no get cover here, so.
Yeah, hard to come up, don't it? But if you were to go down, you stop say where you just stay. If you were to go down the hill. Because even if you want to get a house, which part down there would you put it? You don't know, you just want to leave from up here. But I live on New Hope. Yes, so you tell us the last time.
Get nail and try right there, so. There's no way nail pan there.
There was a nail pan?
Yeah, right side I built.
And mash it. See hammer this one.
Mash it, hammer. Get it. You should have given it.
Can I give one?
Just this one.
Give me that.
I'm back your night, Mr. Topsy.
Oh. Take this.
In case you attack, it pick up. You look like you want to sleep, so Mr. Topsy.
no,
You tired?
no. But only I them out.
Yeah, but you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh no.
Them foggy.
So it's windy up here.
Mhm. You hold up your eye night dust.
No, there's no dust.
Oh.
Look out for you, man. Stop, look out for you.
Because she look out for me.
Exactly, Miss Topsy. You know the thing.
Oh, you not look out for me.
Because you not say nothing.
You don't say nothing.
Listen, me not say nothing. Me I say one. Me I say one.
Yes. I mean, thank you, yeah.
Yeah.
I drop me a make.
Miss Topsy, she tapped me up to say a joke she made.
It's alright, me stop you. You must say you want to make joke.
Okay.
How far have I gone now?
Oh, it's not all the way on here, son.
How far reach? Is that better?
Just one. Did want one little piece more if you come over. You don't want to shave?
I'm not sure. Let me fix that part and then don't drop your wire. Don't drop your wire.
Oh, I said wire.
You want to cut? See that? Alright, join me, go. Oh, yeah, come down. You have to go slide down.
Put the leather one part and go over.
Now go make you climb on the ladder, now worry your head. Nobody cry.
You look like it's a fed come up too much.
Huh?
Yeah, I will tell you. It's a side that come up too much.
Which side? This side there? Over the stair. Over the back stair.
Yeah, alright.
You alright? Alright. Alright. Give me one eye zinc nail left. Hmm?
This one?
No man, you wanted the broad head.
Okay, this?
Too much house you build?
No, go on. Go on, no, myself.
Anyway, me I go and me and you, so you tell me if you go on.
The first time I sit in the car there now, when him, Chana. That's Chana.
What's your name again?
Chinese.
Chinese.
Yeah.
Chinese. First time I said, hear them the name.
Now, get you in them first and see how we look. Give me one next one other than nearly, please. You can't find it now. Lovely.
If you say nothing to me?
I know nothing you have say, something you have say. Say something. Right, hold it wide. You want to come down, you know, so we have to do fast. Get nervous up there. Show me which part you in there.
See the card up there?
No, you're not chopping me attack.
Yeah, but the card they're right here. So.
So if you're the panny, how it will draw?
No.
Oh, you be so you better come dog. You better come dog. You hear me? Up there.
Yes. I say, sit down and do a look.
How?
Bye.
Come and have the remote in the pocket. To the solar.
Oh. Come down now. You can't walk, yes, sir. Yeah, nervous. Come on, hold him, man, come. Yeah, when I throw a rum down your throat, you know, no way to go. Yeah, you're nervous, so. Come down. Come down.
See how am I here?
Yeah.
I'll see the next piece of wire over there, so.
The only way, unless water blowing that zinc, no, but.
It should be okay for now. So the remote.
Serious wire, Jonah, can't take up here.
The remote to the solar.
Now give him no remote, you go trouble it. Let me set it. No, I have to set it.
Junior, hold it in and I want to give me back.
Oh, what do you do, Junior?
Let me trouble him.
What do you say? Do not say.
I don't remember so much. I say a lot, Miss Topsy. The way I do pack of clothes. Oh.
But this is enough for me.
Everything blow away.
See 1 year. See 1 year, so. One white one.
Come on.
You don't have to trouble nothing, alright. Come on and go off when if you go off.
And don't pull him, Miss Topsy say don't pull stuff. I should Miss Topsy him and pull the remote.
Yeah. I saw me see him in radio.
Now if you look in it, I just battery in there. I want a little circuit board.
In radio. In
What's the
radio.
system when you have the Junior?
Well, a battery.
I just the battery up there?
Hey, so I'm not blowing.
I want to.
Me don't know about it.
Battery in the game?
Big battery.
What's the way?
It's sun hot, bro.
Yeah, still tight, Miss Topsy.
I want to put the clothes in there.
Keep them on the bed.
I give one barrel. Yeah, come on. Anyone come? That's how that must have come in too.
Oh no. I want big space that don't man.
No, but it's close.
Solar system.
So everything connect to this. What then you just want a bulb?
I'm on the bulb and the solar.
For the panel then.
Panel blowing.
They not make water with them.
But it stop work long time, Jonah?
Yeah, man.
Who am I talk?
The solar that you guys had.
When we just get the house.
Yeah.
A long time.
Mm-hmm.
They connect you like them the solar.
Long time. Yeah.
So I not pull this. Now this if you pull out look fine I hit. You don't have no screwdriver to pull it, that's why I not pull. You may have it. See why you not hit that or
It was a big panel?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, big one.
So since Melissa blow it door?
Yeah, man, like the
Oh.
you're when the panda black over.
so now you can strap them at Jonah. So none of them run a front part of block.
Now what's man the way stuff? Oh, now they do the boy, now I let one space when they do one part, I go back. I get the man one that. I will tell you first thing that you say. I don't know what. When I tell me they are first, it don't bother them.
A brace up door.
I got some one of the first, yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty man like that.
Yeah, up on the hill. So look, so guess what happened now, no? Hold on there. Michelle, may I talk to now?
Mm-hmm.
So you know, say, a vibes call me and tell me happy anniversary.
So when?
Not to anniversary today. We so busy.
Oh my God! Is that vibes?
Happy anniversary, my wife.
Thank you, and same to you. Yeah, this is like the 20 or 20 something years. Every year we forget.
Huh?
Thank you, vibes.
No, now we don't remember. No, now we don't remember.
No, we don't remember, so now we can't quarrel. Yes. Oh my God. Oh no. So guys, today we are recording a vibes.
Put it on camera.
So guys, today is our anniversary. How much longer then? It's 20.
19 years.
Oh, oh yeah, it's 19. You see me, I'll forget. It's 19 years. But every year, this is our friend on the line who got married on the 10th of December. So we always forget ours, and how we remember is when they call us happy anniversary. So. Oh yes. Yes.
You're gonna hear yourself.
Oh no, thank you, vibes. So we'll call you tomorrow.
We not forget your one.
Okay. No problem.
Oh, so you tell we say you're not going to remember, so we call you and remind you in the evening.
Okay.
the appointment, I'm going to for 8 o'clock, I'll leave maybe after 2 or 3 o'clock. So.
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
You're going to call me, I'm in the place. You understand?
Alright, we call in a late evening and remind us so you're not getting no beating.
Alright, thank you. Say hi. You too. You too.
Yeah, but we always have it working, you know?
Alright. Say hi to Dion.
Alright.
Yeah.
All
Oh wow. Can't believe this happened again.
Oh my God. Miss Topsy, today we married and we don't remember.
How are you say?
Today,
How much year?
19.
Yeah.
No.
December.
19.
Yes.
Well, I wish you happy anniversary.
Oh, thank you,
And
Miss
I
Topsy.
hope life will be much easier for you all and that don't work so hard.
Miss Topsy, makes fun of we now.
No,
Don't work so hard.
don't work so hard.
Alright.
Alright, guys.
Yes,
I mean, anniversary, we don't remember.
Yeah, we remember now.
yes.
Yeah.
Happy anniversary.
Yes.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah.
I wish you a happy anniversary. I have no voice again.
So guys, today is the 9th of December. Yeah. So maybe when you see this video, it will be on the 10th.
Yeah.
Because we record today, so we'll just post tomorrow.
Oh.
So you still can't tell we happy anniversary. And you know, pray for we same way. Because we do 19 years in a marriage, you know, but we did that together before.
Yes.
So may I say? So we are together for 25 years.
Yeah.
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 I think
All our business.
Just talk about the whole of our business.
if my husband never pass out, me didn't worry on that.
Yes.
So when we go to Parson, but we can remember everything. When I go to Parson, Anglican Parson, he tell us that we don't need no counseling.
Yes.
We don't know what name, so.
Talk to us.
No, we don't know that.
Eh?
We don't know talk to us. We don't know it. We talk to each other. We never get counseling.
We never get any.
No, we don't know what that.
Me no get any because
know that, though.
then say we did it too long. We did together too long.
We don't get counseling, not true.
But look, Juna, how old are Juna now?
Yeah.
How old are you, Jonah?
What in July?
You are going good, man.
Why say?
49 July.
48.
Is 49 July coming?
Oh, July gone, yeah.
Yes. Well, it would be at the same time.
Yeah.
So we never get Juna till Juna never born. Tell him a 15-year-old. Tell him brother a 15.
Oh,
Okay.
Yes.
I think Jonah born when he was 15. That's why I used to watch him with
But his father was so nice.
Yes.
But Juna him mostly drink and sing tea.
Yeah.
Him father pass off, but me miss him.
Yeah.
But yes, him same one go rest.
Yeah.
And he don't want to stay on the earth and suffer. So I say, all right, master.
Yeah.
So the morning when they wake, we call Derek next door.
Yes.
He come look if I die, like a sleepy sleeper. Yeah, man.
All right, Miss Topsy.
Yes.
Yeah.
You stop the way I left your place now.
I wouldn't mind if you would just stay here some long amount.
Long.
Yes. Oh,
Yes.
I think that to me that was said to you again. You make me tell you.
Come be married again.
Eh?
When you want to come fit this evening? Huh?
When I come in, I can't get when I come up.
So make you stay to me and come back. Why you hold away? So you sick? I feel pain.
Was he hungry?
Stand up like a soldier.
I saw soldier stand up.
He was he hungry?
No, you know, hungry, belly full.
Alright guys, so this is where we end the video for today. It was indeed a pleasure being here with Miss Topsy. And to find out that today, to remember rather, today's our anniversary. It's not the first time that we have forgotten. It may sound like a bad thing, but you know, it's a good thing. At least you don't get to quarrel over anything, you know, forget and all of that. So yeah, so later we do something.
Yes.
All
So
right.
the light turn on itself.
Oh yes, it will come on automatically.
Yes.
Don't do anything.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
And it black off itself.
Yeah, man, when sun come up, it lock off.
Yes.
Yes.
So alright guys, until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks to all our donors, all our subscribers, all the persons who have been supporting us and the work that we do. Blessed love to you, and thank you so much for making it Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Bye-bye. What is that? Oh, is the radio? You got it. Set our now you here.
Yeah, I make it right now. Me just don't want that song pan we sitting. No one that song and we sitting.
It's sweet him. I the minute he pull up it.
Don't pull it again.
Make it stay up on the one station.